there is a new update for Windows Snipping Tool. Let's take a screenshot of this page. Control Shift key and or I can click here just to open the snipping tool. Now I'm going to press on new, and the new what is coming is the ability immediately to extract text directly here in the command bar. So you can click here and now the text will be extracted directly from this image. And here we go. As you can see, I can copy the text and reuse it for other purposes. I can also redact text, and this one is now black. So if I need to take a screenshot, for example, by removing some line of text, you can do it with this new function. But again, this new icon is now pretty visible on top in the command bar. Let me open again Snipping Tool just to show you how this thing looks like. Let me click on open, and now this icon is immediately visible. Here you can extract text by clicking on the icon and then selecting the portion of your screen, for example, that you want to extract. And here we go. I have the text extracted, and now I can copy or I can use this select all function.